Okay, welcome to this episode of Fix It with Patrick. We'll be going through today how we actually take apart the cover of this unit, where we can get into and replace the brush motor. If your motor here stops turning this, I'll be showing you this today. Okay, so we have a bunch of little screws all the way around the edge here. So we're going to take all these large black screws off. They don't actually come out, they just come loose. So you kind of hear them pop when you have them loose all the way. One more over here. Okay, let's see if that got it all. Oh, we gotta take the screw off here as well. Take that off. Let's see if we got it all now. Oh, there we go. Oh boy, it's nice and dirty. Wow, look at that. All right. So we've got a fair amount of things here. Let's kind of brush it out a little bit here. I've got the cover open. Head brush motor. Right here you can find these many places, we'll say, and but they all work good. Pretty easy to replace. And so here we're just gonna take out, I believe it's these 3 screws on the side here. One there, there's one here, and there's one right down there. Right down there, there's one. We get those 3 out. It should pop out if we get it. Oh, only 2. I was wrong, just 2 screws. Boom, boom. Okay, and you see down here, it just has a little, almost like a little battery contacts there that it's hitting. That's your motor. So you just get another one, pop it right back in when you replace it. It's very easy. Screw it back on. Okay, I think we got it. Don't want to over tighten. Okay, that's it. We'll put the cover back on.